as TicTacToe. This is Golden Thumb. So in this video, we'll fix the hard-coded draw pieces here, right? We draw the hard-coded pieces here. Now we are ask someone else for the information about where the pieces are. Okay, so we'll define something called protocol. So this is a protocol. UI application delegate. So this class implements the protocol, or it's called adopts. It adopts the protocol. So let's define our own protocol. Protocol is for agreement of it's a contract between the service provider and the service consumer. So let's define a new file. Swift file, yes. We'll call it TicTacToeDelegate. Okay. So let's put it near the top here, and we'll define the protocol. Yeah, we'll just use this. The protocol currently provides a single service, which is pieceAt. This one. We don't need the body here. It's just a signature of a function like that. Okay. So who will be the delegate? Who will provide the service? This guy, view controller here. So let's create an extension view controller. Can we rename this guy? Yeah, let's rename this guy to TicTacToe view controller. Okay. TicTacToe view controller. Now let's create the extension. What? Keep going. Extension. What's wrong? Command B. Extension. Oh yeah. Now it's out. Haha. TicTacToe view controller. Sorry, TicTacToe view controller. Yeah. So the protocol will be TicTacToe delegate. Yeah, this guy. So wait for a few seconds. The autocomplete will help. Yes. With the service it promised, right? pieceAt. Now you will ask this guy to provide the service, because we don't need to duplicate the logic. Actually, yeah, the view controller is like the controller in the MVC design pattern. Model view controller. This is controller. It's the bridge to coordinate the model, this guy, and the view part. Oh, we still don't have the view variable here. We'll add it shortly. So we'll just return TicTacToe.pieceAt. We already have that service. Yeah. Now let's add a view here. Okay. So we cannot create the view directly here. We'll use this one. Control drag the view into our view controller. So hold on. Now that we can hide this and that. Hold on Option key and click the controller. View controller is here. Yeah. We'll select this view. Click somewhere else and go back and select this view. Hold on Control key and drag it to here. Control drag. Okay. So this is our board view, right? Board view connect. Yeah. So now we put the both model and the view inside this controller. So the model and the view don't talk to each other directly, all right? It's the controller to manage like everything here, and with this guy playing the role of TicTacToe delegate, we can define the delegate variable inside our view here. View. Now we don't need this one now. So let's define the delegate. Wow. TicTacToe delegate. The data type is TicTacToe delegate question mark. It can be nil, right? It can be nil. But if it's not nil, we can ask this guy like to provide the pieceAt information. Okay, so now here in the view controller we want to assign self to board view dot TicTacToe delegate. No, tick command B to trigger the compilation. Okay, TicTacToe delegate equals self. Yeah. So now that's great. So finally we can use this. So draw pieces will loop through all the row and column and row, right? So for rows in 0 dot dot less than 2, and for column same thing here, dot less than 2. So we can get the piece. We'll use if let, because when we try to get the piece, it might be nil, right? If that piece equals TicTacToe delegate dot pieceAt, right? Column and row. Okay, so if we get that piece, we can we need to differentiate. So like we can do if. We don't need to. Okay, so if piece dot player dot is x, right? We'll draw this guy, right? Draw x at the column and row. Otherwise we'll draw O, right? Column and row. Otherwise we'll draw this guy. So instead of a hard-coded thing, we just need that row. Okay, now we don't need the hard-coded thing here. So remember, we already have our hard-coded, right, 2 piece there. We add that in our view controller. No, it's inside the here. We hard-coded those 2 things here. Now if we run it, we'll draw those 2 pieces. Run it. Yes, right? So if we change like this one, move up, okay, move up the X, so put it here. Okay, so this time our view is synchronized with this one because we use the data from the same data is here, same data model. Okay, now let's move up by one row. Okay, run it and check both the console here, you see, and the view, you see here, right? And the view are consistent. That's great. And thank you for watching. See you next time.